Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a cleanup video because I do this almost every single day if I'm not working. When I'm home alone, like today, I like to clean up the whole house just so everybody can come home to a nice house, and I just think it's therapeutic. We're gonna write our to-do list. This is my to-do list. Basically, whatever I haven't done on the previous day, I transfer it to the next day. But here, like, I literally put everything, for example, like make the bed. I put down like the simplest task, and it's just so satisfying when I actually am able to like cross it out. So my room is pretty much clean. I cleaned it from yesterday, made the bed, and it just needs a nice vacuum. Alright, the next thing to do is to vacuum the house. Hi guys, I just finished washing the dishes and now I'm just gonna wipe all the surfaces around the house and just spray paint and stuff like that. Alright, now that we've done the dishes and wiped down the surfaces of the house, we're gonna do some laundry. Alright, now that we've done the laundry, we actually have to take in the clothes and put it through the dryer. These are the clothes in the dryer that were already dry but someone didn't take out. I think I put these clothes in too, which is kind of crazy because I feel like a maid, a bloody housewife. That's what it's giving me. We're gonna mop her. I'm done with mopping the house. Now I'm getting these mats and I'm putting it around the places that need the mats. As you can see, here are the clothes that are not folded, here are the clothes that are folded. I'm just gonna put on a podcast episode. I'm currently listening to Murder with My Husband. I'm just gonna fold the clothes, so we're just gonna do a little time lapse, and I think this is the last job that I have to do